Hello everyone. Question 14. If 3 times the x over 5 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 equals 10, what is the value of x over 5 plus 1 over 2? Okay, so the first step is that we want to find the x value, right? This x value. And then once we find the x, you have to substitute this x into this x and find the value of whole. Okay, so first, so 3 times x over 5 plus 1 over 2. You have a brackets, right, for these two. So this 3 have to be multiplied here and here, right? So 3 times 1 over x over 5 is 3 over 5x, right? Plus 3 times 1 over 2 is 3 over 2, right? And then plus 1 equals 10. Now, 3 over 5x plus 3 over 2 plus 1. 1 can be written in 2 over 2, right? Equals 10. So 3 over 5x plus 2. 3 over 2 plus 2 over 2 is 5 over 2, right? Equals 10. Now, 3 over 5x is equals to 10 minus, you have to move this 5 over x to the right, 5 over 2 to the right side, and becomes negative. So 5 over 2, right? So 10. Since you have to have, when you subtract or add, in this case it's subtraction, so same as adding, right? So you have to multiply by 2, the denominator, right? So if you multiply 1 over 2, you have 20 over 2, right? So it's going to be 15 over 2 and 3 over 5x. Now, we want to find the x. What do you have to do? You can multiply by the opposite, right? 5 over 2. Of course, if you're doing on the left side, you have to do on the right side as well. So 5 over 3. So you can cancel, right? And then you only have x on the left side. And that's equals to, so 15 over 2 times 5 over 3 is 10 over 2, right? Which is 5. So our x is 5. Now let's substitute this 5 into right here, this x, right? Because it's same x. So x over 5 plus 1 over 2. Our x, we know that it's 5 from here. So let's substitute. So we put oh, sorry, it's not 5 actually. So it's gonna be, so 3 times it's gonna be 5. So 25 over 2, right? Yes, 25 over 2. So our x, sorry, I made a mistake. So our x is gonna be 25 over 2. So now we know that x over 5 plus 1 over 2. Our x is 25 over 2. So substitute 25 over 2 over 5 plus 1.5, right? So 25 over 2. 25 over 2 over 5. This is same as 1 over 5, right? Because this is just 25 over 2 divided by 5, right? And when you solve this, it's this, right? It's same thing. So 22 over 5 times 1 over half and plus 1 over 2, right? So what is this? 5 over 2 plus 1 over 2. So 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 is 6, and same denominator, so 2 and 3. So the answer is